my name is Miss Jennifer, and today I'm going to show you how to make your own storytelling wheel. And the story that we're going to talk about today is about the snail and the whale. Do you know the story? Oh, I love that story. It's one of my favorites. The aim of this activity is to make storytelling more fun and interesting. And it is also a great invitation for your little ones to participate in storytelling and recalling the events in the stories or talking about their favorite characters in the stories. So, are you ready? Yeah, I am excited too. But before that, we need our materials for this activity. And those are the following. So in this activity, you need a large or big round paper plate. And you need also a pencil. And you need your scissors, your glue stick, your colored markers. You can have all the colors you want, and some crayons. You can use the big ones or the small ones, it's up to you. And of course we need a split pens and have a lot here. So this one you need the help of your mommies and daddies. If you don't know how to draw, it's fine. You can ask mommies and daddies to print the pictures of the characters in the story, just like this one. So first things first, you need to mark your paper plate with your pencil. And I think you need mommies and daddies' help. If you can't do it, you can ask mommies and daddies to do it for you. All right, so I'm gonna make 7 portions. See, you can make 4 portions, or you can make 6, or you can make 8. It's up to you. So I'm gonna draw a line, a straight line, a standing line, just like that one, and another straight line, a sleeping line, just like this one. See? How many portions did I make? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just like this one. Okay, so we can use your marker. You can trace the line, the pencil line, with your marker, and you can choose black or blue or red or pink, so you can choose your own color. So me, I'm going to choose black color. So I'm going to trace the line with my black marker. Then trace the line. So just take your time. Now, just like this one, you can color it with crayons. Okay, so what color is the sea? Green or is it blue? Yes, you're right, it's color blue. So you can color blue on this portion. Just you can color inside the line. See? So it's blue. Going to color the volcano. What is the color of the fiery volcano? Is it red? Yes, very good. It's red. So we're going to color it red next. Yeah, you can take your time in coloring your paper plates. You see? All done. Color the humpback whale and the snail. So you can use your crayon again, or you can use your marker to color the humpback whale. I'm gonna use the gray for my whale. whale. It's black and gray. Now I'm going to color my little snail. So I'm going to color it orange. You can use any color of markers you like. So I'm going to use orange. Okay, all done. Now it's time to cut our pictures. Are you ready? Okay, all done. So I cut all the pictures from the story here, and the next thing that we're gonna do is we're going to make a hole in the center, and we need mommy's and daddy's help to do this because we're gonna use a very sharp and pointy object, just like this one, you see. And now I made a hole, and then so when you're done, you can put it aside, and we're going to stick the snail on the tail of the whale. Okay, so what are we going to use? So we're going to use our glue stick. We're going to put glue on it and stick it. Look at the snail on the tail of the whale. So next, we're going to use our split pin. This one you need mommy's and daddy's help because it's sharp. Like that. So we're going to make a hole in the middle of the whale using our sharp pencil. So we're going to make a hole. And we're going to ask mommy's and daddy's to do this one again. Okay. So we're going to put it in the center of our plate, and we're going to use our pin, our split pin, and push it through. Okay, so here's our wheel, and it can go turn around just like the clock. Next thing that we're going to do is we're going to stick the pictures from the story. So we're going to put the black rock on the first portion, and of course we need our glue. We're going to go and put the glue and stick it just like this one. So they went to a cold place, and there's so many towering icebergs, and they saw lots of penguins. Stick the iceberg here on the top here, the edge of the plate. When the whale got stuck on the beach, the snail went to look for some help, and the snail crawled to school. So we're gonna stick it. And the firemen and the children and everyone were helping them, and then they got on their way back into the water, and they went back to the dock and back to the black rock. So we're gonna put the rock, and they went back again to where they started. We'll put it here. Here you go. Look at our wheel. So now it's complete. Whale and the snail go around the world. Thank you so much for watching, and I would really love and appreciate if you're going to share with us the photos of your child during this activity. I hope you enjoyed it. See you next time. Bye.